Hello student, now today we shall discuss unit number 4 of the 9th standard in social science. Now in this we will discuss some of the questions in our lecture 3. Now among them, give the reasons of the following statement: Muslim League was established in 1906 AD. Actually, Britishers had adopted Machiavellian policy, means divide and rule, because they want to crush Indian nationalism anyhow, because they want to rule over us. That is why they started to create the conflict between Hindu and Muslim. So Hindu and Muslim was created, a conflict by communalism was created by them. Then the Viceroy Morle Minto got together and planned to crush Indian nationalism. In that, English began to favor upper class Muslim. The English became successful in convincing a group of Muslims that they must form a Muslim organization to demand for the separate voting rights and the separate voting center. So actually they want to divide the Hindu and Muslim. That is why they started to convince a particular group of the Muslim, upper caste Muslim, that is why they started to demand for the separate voting rights and even for the separate voting center. They must not be gathered with the Hindu voters. As a result, Muslim League was formed on 30th December 1906 in Dhaka. Keep in your mind, in MCQ it might be asked. Muslim League was formed on 30th December 1906 in Dhaka. In MCQ it might be asked, or in the blank must be asked. In the establishment of this organization, religious head of the Muslim Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka, Salimullah Khan, Viceroy Minto, and his personal minister Dunlop Smith played an important role. Thus, Muslim League was established. Now we shall discuss the second question of this. Now, give the reason for the following statement. Lal Bal Pal trio adopted the Jahal. Jahal means the radical attitude. Radical attitude means revolutionary attitude. Jahal and Mawal, both two groups, came into existence in annual Congress conference at Surat in 1907. But actually, both of them, as far as the attitude is concerned, was totally opposite. We can say one was believing in just urging petition, making petition, and just soliciting the application, and in such type of method. On the other hand, Jahal has been considered as the radical, means they were the revolutionary people and they were believing in the tit for tat. Whichever the action are taken by the British government, the same retort and the same reply in the same manner which had been adopted by the Britishers, they were believing to give. So Congress does only annual conference, resolution, request, and nothing than this. So there is no effect of it on the British government. Nowadays, the same situation is going on in our country. If you want to convince any people, definitely you will have to make the rebel and you will have to take the steps of the revolutionary. Otherwise, you will not be noted. Even your presence will be not noted by the anyone. Same thing happened here, as youth of the Congress were losing patience, and people have fast and active working capacity. Related thinking were known as the Jahal group, or in other words we can say as the Jahal policy. And during those time, at that time, Lal, Bal and Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, these three persons have been considered this known as the trio, and they also gave strong turn to the lethargic policy of the Indian National Congress, which adopted by Jahal policy, Jahal theory. Okay, now the next questions we will discuss. Give the reason for the following statement. Gandhiji announced to suspend non-cooperation movement immediately. Actually, what happened and what was the reason behind for the suspension of the non-cooperation movement? So it might be asked in the other way also. The main purpose of the most non-cooperation movement was to oppose policies of the British rule by adopting the non-violence method. As we know that Gandhiji always insisted for the non-violence attitude and method, as well as even the non-cooperation movement. People who joined non-cooperation movement were mostly against the policy, so they turned towards the violent way, and that was not the way of Gandhiji. And now what happened? Because of that, the result was became and created a chaos. On the 5th February 1922, people took out a rally in Chori Chora village, which was situated in Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur is situated in Uttar Pradesh, and the police opened fire on the innocent people. People were attacked, and that is why now people became too much angry. There was a vigorous action which were taken by the people, and they attacked the police station, and the whole police station was set on fire, in which 21 policemen burned alive. And that is why that news, when Gandhiji heard, he became unhappy, he became sad, he was in the dolorous condition, and on receiving such news, an incident said, I have committed a Himalayan blunder by giving a tool of Satyagraha in the hands of the people who do not understand the value of the non-violence. Okay, so Gandhiji announced to suspend the non-cooperation movement thereafter immediately. Now the next question we shall discuss. Non-cooperation movement became source of inspiration for the national movement. Now we shall discuss this movement proved to be very important to create very effective atmosphere against the policy of British government. There arose a strong feeling of the opposition and even to protest against whichever the injustice done by the Britishers towards our subject, our country people. So political awareness was developed during those days in each and every classes. The faith in independence became too much stronger, and that was necessary. If you have the faith for something, definitely you will achieve. And the fear of the lathi, punishment and imprisonment, which those all are the weapons of the Britishers to create, even to frighten the people of the India, now was removed. So the youth and women too came forward to serve their nation, and Congress became at that time an organization of the people. School giving national education began in our country. Hindi started getting more and more importance than the English, and the movement that was limited to cities and towns, and which was expanded even the remote area of our country, even at the each and every part of the village. Even the intellectuals started to spread in each and every part, and people started to be gathered regarding the movement, and it was proved to be stream of the inspiration for all. Really, we can say in other word, non-cooperation movement has been considered as the root cause for removing the Britishers.